Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your lost ULEFONE Armor X12 into IMEI.info database. Okay, so let's begin. In this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Armor X12, and now we need to click on Check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks. Now find lost device add. Now our IMEI number has been automatically copied in here. Add lost device to IMEI.info database. In here, if you want, you can also type your second IMEI number and also the serial number. It's not necessary, but if you have that possibility, you should also type it. Now type the city where you lost your device. Now we need to type our email because it will be necessary for verification later. Now type your phone number. You should also type it with the country code. Now the price of the value, recovery reward in US dollars. Now country where it happened. Okay, and now we need to describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. You should remember that if it's the true situation, you should you should write the description with as many details as it's possible, because it will help with finding the device. Alright, so now I'll type a quick description and I'll show you how it should look like. Okay, so that's an example of the description, but just like I'm saying, if it will be a true situation, you should give as many details as it's possible. Okay, now type the contact name and now enter the incident date. First type the year, then the month, and then the day. Okay, now we need to agree to above terms and click on report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, now our application requires verification. We need to open up our mail to verify it. Okay, verify your email for report. We have the message from the IMEI.info. Click on verify your request, and now our report has been successfully verified, and our report is in the database. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.